Boom Supersonic is gearing up to change the way we fly by bringing back supersonic air travel. Their XB-1 demonstrator jet is already making waves, reaching a height of 25,400 feet and speeds of Mach 0.82, getting tantalizingly close to breaking the sound barrier. But that's just the beginning. Boom's upcoming Overture airliner is set to take passenger travel to the next level. Designed to carry 65 to 88 people, it will cruise at an impressive speed of Mach 1.7, more than twice as fast as today's commercial planes. Imagine flying across the Atlantic in just over 3 hours instead of the usual 7. What makes Boom stand out isn't just the speed, it's their focus on making supersonic travel more accessible and sustainable. The Overture is being designed with advanced materials, fuel efficiency, and environmental impact in mind, aiming to make faster travel a reality without compromising the planet. Boom Supersonic isn't just reviving an era of speed, they're reimagining it for the modern world. With the XB-1 paving the way and the Overture on the horizon, we're closer than ever to experiencing a future where long-haul flights are faster, more efficient, and surprisingly within reach. Get ready, because the age of supersonic travel is about to take off once again. NASA's groundbreaking X-59 quiet supersonic plane is poised to redefine the future of air travel with its first flight just on the horizon. This cutting-edge aircraft is designed to tackle one of the biggest challenges of supersonic travel, the deafening sonic boom. Using innovative technologies and a sleek design, the X-59 minimizes the boom to a gentle thump, making supersonic flight viable over land. This revolutionary breakthrough could pave the way for faster, quieter travel, connecting cities and continents in record time. The X-59 is not just about speed. It's a testbed for NASA's low-boom flight demonstration program, aiming to gather critical data to influence global aviation regulations. Engineers have poured years of research and precision into crafting an aircraft that blends advanced aerodynamics with next-generation materials. Equipped with state-of-the-art systems, it's as much a marvel of engineering as it is a symbol of what's possible when innovation takes flight. The upcoming first flight will mark a historic moment, demonstrating the X-59's capabilities and setting the stage for a future where supersonic travel becomes a practical and sustainable option for passengers. With this unveiling, NASA is not just pushing boundaries, they're reshaping the possibilities of air travel for generations to come. The Kitty Hawk Flyer is a revolutionary personal flying vehicle designed to make the dream of flight a reality for everyone. Its ultralight build makes it ideal for recreational flying over water and open fields, offering an exciting and unforgettable experience. Thanks to its intuitive controls, the Flyer is incredibly easy to operate, even if you have no prior aviation experience. You don't even need a pilot's license to take to the skies. Powered by multiple propellers, this aircraft delivers smooth, stable, and quiet flights at low altitudes, ensuring a safe and enjoyable journey every time. The Flyer was created with simplicity and safety in mind, making it perfect for beginners and seasoned flyers alike. It opens up new opportunities for personal air mobility, showing how accessible flying can truly be. Imagine soaring above serene lakes or vast open fields, feeling the freedom and thrill of flight like never before. As a bold step into the future, the Kitty Hawk Flyer represents a new era in aviation. It merges fun, innovation, and convenience, proving that personal flying isn't just a dream, it's becoming an everyday possibility. Whether you're seeking adventure or exploring new ways to travel, the Kitty Hawk Flyer is designed to make flying an extraordinary yet simple part of your life. The Jetson 1 is a groundbreaking personal electric aerial vehicle designed to make flying accessible to everyone. With its sleek, drone-like design, it features 8 rotors and a lightweight carbon fiber frame, combining style with functionality. This innovative aircraft offers vertical takeoff and landing VTOL capabilities, allowing for seamless operation even in tight spaces. The Jetson 1 can reach speeds of up to 102 kilometers per hour, 63 miles per hour, and provides a flight time of approximately 20 minutes. This makes it perfect for short commutes, recreational flying, or simply enjoying the thrill of personal flight. Its compact design and quick deployment make it a practical option for those eager to explore new horizons. Ease of use is at the core of the Jetson 1. With basic flight training, anyone can pilot this vehicle thanks to its intuitive controls and advanced safety features, which include obstacle avoidance and emergency systems. This ensures a safe and enjoyable flying experience for all users, regardless of skill level. A true leap into the future, the Jetson 1 highlights the potential of personal air mobility. It combines cutting-edge technology with a commitment to sustainability, paving the way for eco-friendly aviation. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or an adventurer at heart, the Jetson 1 delivers an extraordinary opportunity to embrace the freedom of the skies. Step into the future and experience the revolution of personal flight with the Jetson 1. Mansory Empower is a visionary concept that looks into the future of automotive design by imagining a flying supercar without wheels, designed to float in the air when idle or parked. Drawing inspiration from the cutting-edge carbon fiber cars and hypercars Mansory has modified, including those from Mercedes and Lamborghini, this concept blends luxury and aerodynamics in a stunning, futuristic way. The sleek design of the flying supercar features sharp and angular edges that evoke the aesthetic of high-end vehicles. Its large front windows provide panoramic views, and the doors open upwards, reminiscent of some hypercar models from the likes of Mercedes and Lamborghini. The Empower's unique design concept aims to bring the idea of flying cars closer to reality, with a blend of performance, luxury, and innovation. Although the release of images offers a glimpse into the potential future of Mansory's flying supercar, details about the actual project are still closely guarded, as the firm is currently focusing on other vehicle modifications. However, this glimpse into their vision suggests that the future of personal transportation could be far more advanced and thrilling than we imagined. The Open Sky M02J is a groundbreaking aircraft inspired by the iconic flying machine from the anime Nausicaa of the Valley of the Wind. This one-person jet-powered motor glider combines futuristic design with cutting-edge technology, offering a truly unique flying experience. With its sleek aerodynamic shape and powerful jet engine, the M02J delivers smooth, high-performance flights, making it stand out in the world of personal aviation. Designed for adventure seekers, the Open Sky M02J is built for speed and maneuverability, allowing pilots to perform daring stunts and enjoy breathtaking aerial views. Its lightweight structure and jet engine ensure exceptional agility, giving pilots full control even during complex maneuvers. Whether you're gliding over scenic landscapes or pushing the limits of flight, the M02J offers a thrilling experience. Inspired by the flying machines from Nausicaa of the Valley of the Wind, the Open Sky M02J brings a fantastical concept to life, merging imagination with real-world engineering. The aircraft's sleek design and powerful performance make it a standout in the aviation world, offering an exhilarating ride that's perfect for anyone looking to explore new heights. More than just an aircraft, the Open Sky M02J embodies the possibilities of modern aviation, where technology and creativity combine to deliver something extraordinary. It's a thrilling machine that allows pilots to soar through the sky in a way that feels like stepping into a beloved anime world. With its advanced capabilities and stunning design, the M02J redefines personal aviation, offering an unforgettable adventure in the skies. Micron helicopters are compact, personal helicopters designed to bring the joy of flying within reach for aviation enthusiasts and professionals alike. These small-scale helicopters are lightweight and powered by efficient engines, offering a practical and accessible solution for a range of flying needs. Thanks to their intuitive controls and easy handling, Micron helicopters are suitable for recreational flying, short-distance commutes, and even specialized tasks like aerial surveys. Despite their compact size, they deliver impressive yaw stability and maneuverability, ensuring a smooth and safe flying experience for both novice and experienced pilots. One of their standout features is their focus on affordability and simplicity, which lowers the barriers to personal aviation. With their accessible design, Micron helicopters open the skies to more people, turning the dream of flying your own aircraft into a reality. These helicopters offer an exciting glimpse into the future of personal air travel, blending practicality with innovation. Whether you're looking to explore the skies for leisure or find a reliable tool for short-range flights, Micron helicopters provide a versatile and thrilling way to take to the air. With their groundbreaking design and ease of use, Micron helicopters redefine personal aviation, making it a convenient and enjoyable option for everyday use.